Hello everyone, this is Susanna with CareerShare, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your premium plan to enterprise. First, make sure you're logged in into your CareerShare account, and if you have a premium plan, this is what you'll see on your main dashboard. From here, go to your account menu, and when you open it, you'll see the option that says Upgrade Your Plan. Go ahead and click Go Enterprise. Once you do that, you'll get to your account page where you can see your current plan and all the billing details. Here, all you need to do is click Manage Billing. This will take you to the pricing and plans page. On this page, you'll find different plans depending on your needs, and at the top, you can switch between monthly or yearly billing depending on what works best for you. Once you know which plan you want, simply click Subscribe. This is going to take you to the payment page where you can see all the billing details, and if you have a promo code, you can add it right here. Then you can choose your payment method and complete the process. And that's it. It's really simple. If you don't see a plan that fits your needs or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at tech@carriershare.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.